Hello, New School people here, and today I'm doing the unboxing of the new Xcalibur. There's the top, getting the gimmick. Really happy to find this. This is Xanthus Xcalibur 1. Yeah. Can't wait to check this guy out. I will be putting stickers on. You'll see them in battles, so yeah. The stickers will be on during battles, so yeah. This will be... Oh, jeez. Sucks, no big. Here's the stickers. Can't wait to put those on. No, 1 in 72 chance. Again, okay, there we go. I don't like string launcher, ripcord launchers because they don't look good for me. Damn, that's pretty thick. But, yeah, I do keep them. This actually barely fits my hand. That's kind of why I don't like them, because they barely fit me. For a 25-year-old, so... Okay, there we go. Ooh, yeah. I like that color, too. Let's get the actual launcher set up. I only got this one for a Beyblade. Okay. Yeah, there's the launcher. Here's the actual Beyblade itself. I prefer actually this guy, this launcher. This is my launcher setup. If I ever go to a tournament, would be this. Okay, let's take all this apart. Here's the bit chip. Here's the teeth. Pretty good. The gimmick. 1. It is pretty thick. Yeah. Plastic. Very thick. The 1. Yeah. Here's the driver. Really can't wait to test this guy out. Oops. That's why. Okay, there we go. There we go, there's Xcalibur. Really looks good. Stay tuned for the final battle with these guys. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this, and goodbye.